Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to check if ChatGPT was used or not. So let's go to ChatGPT first. Now I'm gonna command a writing for me a essay or paragraph. Write a paragraph on traffic jam. Now I'm gonna copy this paragraph and open a new tab and write here 0GPT. Click on the first link 0GPT and you have to paste that paragraph or any essay or anything here to check that if this paragraph use ChatGPT or not. Click on detect text. Now you can see that your text is AI GPT 100% generated. Okay, you can see here. So this is how you can know or check that if ChatGPT was used or not. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.